what is something that you think the state or the towns, the cities can do to support our manufacturers in Connecticut?
I think engage. Where we've had manufacturers on that have talked about how happy they are about the towns that they're in. Bristol, comes to mind, as one town that's been mentioned, and I'm sure there are others, where they proactively reach out and engage with their manufacturers in town to try and find out what they can do to help. And, manufacturing has some unique properties about it that it's very capital intensive, as you well know, both in terms of plant, right? If I want to do more, I need more space. And also I got to buy the machines, and machines can cost 50, 75, 100,000 up to $1 million or more before I even get one part made. And you don't buy a machine for $1 million and make the first part for $1 million. The parts coming off that machine aren't going to be $1 million parts, and someone still has to operate it. Someone has to maintain it. You need somewhere to put it. You got to put electricity into it, right? You got to, the drill. So there's a lot of properties there that require significant capital investment, betting on the come, right? Betting on the future. And so to have the towns sort of engaging and saying, what can we do to help? Hey, you need to expand your facility. Let's see what we can do to help you navigate the permitting process. What's there to reduce hurdles instead of bring up hurdles, And, both of us have business experience, and it can be frustrating, probably the understatement of the century. It can be extremely bleeping frustrating when you're trying to spend your money to grow the business and you feel like the town is putting up roadblocks.